In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair torn lace. This repair is very quick and very simple. Using your canvas block head, you want to turn your wig inside out and you want to place it on top of your block. Now I'm just positioning my lace where I want it to be because I'm trying to get my rib as close as possible before I actually begin to block it off and sew. You don't want your lace to be too far apart because that can stretch your lace, which will make it easy to fray, and when it starts fraying, it's going to tear. Once I get my lace where I want it to be, I like to use T-pins to hold my wig in place before I actually block it off with my flat pins. Now that I have the lace in place, I like to remove that T-pin and I replace it with the flat pin, and I continue to block my repair, and I use my flat pins along the rib on both sides. To secure the lace, I use my craft hammer to hammer in the flat pins that I just placed along my rib. Now let's get started with the repair. You want to take your ventilated needle through both ends of the rib, going through one hole through the other. You want to pull through the clear nylon thread, and you want to use the same motions as you will use when creating a single knot. And you want to do this continuously all the way up until you get to the end. Please watch carefully of the motions that I'm doing, because it's kind of hard to explain exactly how to sew with the ventilating needle, because that's all we're doing when we're repairing torn lace. And now that we're done sewing, you want to cut your long hairs on both ends. And there you have it, a seamless rib repair.